Yeah, so good afternoon. I was sharing my story about, I was sharing what happened today when I took a ride. So the surge was crazy and the price was really high. The driver came actually and he said, okay, I beg, let's go offline. It's a common thing in Nigeria, yeah, where I did not argue because I knew Uber price was ridiculous. We went offline, agreed on a lower price, and it was really fair. If I paid less because we agreed on a lower price, he earned more. And honestly, it felt fair. And this isn't just my story, actually. It's happening everywhere. People are finding ways to actually bypass platform just to avoid losing 20 to 30% of their income. Even my gate man once said that plastic buyers buy plastic from him at a lower price and they resell at 5x the price. He does the work. Why the middleman take the value? And this pattern cuts across every peer-to-peer interaction. People now choose friends, referrals, WhatsApp vendors, not to break the rules actually, but because they want fairness. The real issue is not about trying to not use a platform. The real issue is there's no system that actually lets peer-to-peer interaction skills safely, transparently, and trustlessly. And until that happens, middleman will keep winning, and the people doing the work will keep losing. So why now? Right now is the perfect time for true peer-to-peer rails in Africa. In the last year alone, we had a lot of protests in Lagos, and based on our research, so there were protests from gig workers in Nairobi, and what were they demanding? Low fees and fair treatment. So this is not just a noise. This is not just long noise. It's a rejection of the old model where middlemen try to control the whole system across ride, recycling, and even e-commerce. People are choosing direct interaction. People prefer to buy from a WhatsApp vendor instead of buying from Jumia. Then what is Trekka? Trekka is here to actually connect two peers directly. We don't act as middleman. We just provide infrastructure. A request is placed, the value goes directly to our trustless 𝗲𝗲𝗍𝗲 built on Hedera. When the job is done, the system verifies it and release payment instantly. Then we give on-chain receipts. You can actually print the receipt. The receipt is stored as NFT. You get rewards, and then you get sustainable credits for rides because we are going to, over time, we're going to have 6 verticals, but we are starting with 3 verticals. So depending on the kind of vertical you choose, you're going to get a sustainable credit. So the blockchain handles this trust. Why the user enjoys a game-like experience where they earn more, keep more, and build reputation. So the platform is in form of game. We used Duolingo model. Duolingo got a lot of traction because their whole learning process is more of game and fun. So we actually made the whole P2P experience more fun. You don't actually have to just go to book ride and then that's it. You can actually still have fun while doing other things. So we actually did a lot of market research. Along the line, we got 230 people that were added to waitlist. Drivers, because I have some driver friends, my cousin too, told us straight away that they're tired of fees, they're tired of paying high fee. They can pay fee, but they're tired of paying high fee. Even when things are higher, the standard of living in Africa is higher, they're still paying high fee. And then they said they prefer to go offline if there's no more new platform to help them. And that's why we built Trekka really fast. We have a minimum lovable product. And we have already built rights. The 𝗲𝗲𝗍𝗲𝗍 is working. We've integrated Hedera end-to-end. You can submit topics. You can actually do a lot of things on chain. Now, for our initial wedge, we actually modeled ride hailing alone. The other 2 verticals, we've not done market research on that. We brought out this one because this is one that is more of request when users actually fill our form for waitlist. So we use realistic number, and Africa at large is our TAM. We got 13 to 16 billion based on the number of urban adults, the average amount people spend on transport, that's $5. And then we just took our sustainable SOM, we just captured just 0.2 to 0.5% within the first 12 to 8 months, and that was around 10 to 25 million GMV.
Sorry, but your time's up.